Hi guys, welcome to Mac Ride Vlogs. Today is a really special episode. We are reviewing the Hayabusa 25th anniversary edition today, and this bike needs no introduction whatsoever. So let's get started. So this is the Suzuki Hayabusa 25th anniversary edition we have with us. This bike, as I mentioned before, needs no introduction whatsoever. At the rear you can see it comes with a double-sided exhaust. It comes with a 180 section tire. This has been upgraded to a bigger section. It comes with the Suzuki Hayabusa 1348cc engine. Over here you can see the brakes are Brembo setups, and in the front you get dual disc calipers. Apart from that, you read the design, the original design has been retained as per the old Hayabusa that was there. This sports tourer comes with the adjustable clutch levers as stock. Apart from that, cruise control comes stock with this, unlike the second gen. This is the 21st anniversary, third generation. This comes with 95 octane fuel, so please, Busa owners, do not use any normal fuel in this. Apart from that, let's get started. We'll start the bike and show you how it sounds. So we are going to show you how this sounds with the stock setup. This exhaust is right now stock. There is no aftermarket installed right now. And the best part is this revs up to all the way 11,000 RPM. This is how the stock Busa sounds, and it sounds pretty good to me. So the Suzuki Hayabusa, the name is derived from the Peregrine Falcon. So this history goes back when Honda launched the Blackbird, and in counter to that, Suzuki came up with the Hayabusa that is called the Peregrine Falcon. So Peregrine Falcon is the bird that shoots down or kills the Blackbird. So this is the history behind the name Hayabusa. Apart from, if I talk about, so the Suzuki Hayabusa comes with a power output of 190 bhp. It revs up all the way to 11,000 rpm. The curb weight is somewhere around 266 kgs, which for a liter class plus bike is decent enough. So let's get started. Let's do a short spin with this. This bike is courtesy from Ranjit Bhaiya, who is my very dear friend. This is the Suzuki Hayabusa. So as you can see, this is unlike the ZX-10R and the S1000RR. Your feet doesn't go too back. So this is particularly a very world-class sports tourer. You get the full grip of the tank, and your foot is not very far wide placed. If I talk about being backwards or forward, it is just right there in the good position. You can see Ranjit Bhaiya is very comfortably seated on that. Hello Ranjit Bhaiya. So you can see the position, hands are also comfortable, पैर ज़्यादा पीछे नहीं है. So लंबे रास्ते के लिए भी Busa पे लोग जैसे लेप ट्रैवल करते हैं तो पैनियर्स डाल के आप इस पर टूर कर सकते हो. So that was the episode for Suzuki Hayabusa guys. Please stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. बहुत मेहनत लगती है guys कंटेंट बनाने में. So stay tuned. अगले हफ्ते फिर से कुछ बढ़िया लेके आएंगे. This was Mac Ride Vlogs. See you.